Hello students, today we are going to continue exercise 2.2 question number 17 to 21 of chapter exponents. This is question number 17. Find the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 2 multiply by minus 9 upon 16 over that power minus 3 and all over that is power minus 2. So first we will multiply these two powers according to the law. Minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 2 will be as it is, and minus 9 upon 16 small bracket, this big bracket will be solved on multiplying the powers. Negatives are cancelled, so now it is 3 to the 6. Power is 6. Now we will expand it. First we can change this power into positive, so this it becomes 4 upon minus 3, so the power is sign of the power is changed to positive. This is minus 9 upon 16 power 6. Now we'll expand it because minus 9 cannot be changed into the base minus 3, so it is 4 upon 3 2 times, and minus 9 upon 16 6 times. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. So this negative sign is cancelled to this. 3 3 is 9, so these 2 3 will be cancelled by this 1 9, and 4 4 is 16, so this 16 is now cancelled. Now we'll cancel the negatives. This minus is cancelled with this with this, and this with this. Now we will count how many times we have 9 upon 16. 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 times 9 upon 16, so we'll write here 9 upon 16 raised to power 5, but we have to find its reciprocal, so we'll write here its reciprocal is equal to 16 upon 9. 9 upon 16 becomes 16 upon 9, so the power is 5. We can change 16 upon 9 into 4 upon 3 like this. 4 upon 3 raised to power 2. This 5 is already there, so it will be multiplied, and 2 5 is 10, so the answer is 4 upon 3 raised to power 10. Okay, now the next question. Find P upon Q raised to power minus 2 if 3 upon 5 raised to power 6 multiply by 10 upon 9 raised to power minus 6 equals to P upon Q raised to power minus 6. So let us solve it. The variable is always put on the left hand side, so I will put it here. P upon Q raised to power minus 6, and this is here 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 6 and 10 upon 9 raised to power minus 6. We can see here that the powers are same, so we'll multiply the bases. P upon Q raised to power minus 6, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 10 upon 9, so the bases are taken as common according to the law. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are, so it is 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 6 and on this side p upon q raised to power minus 6. On the both sides we can see that the powers are same, so they will be cancelled. Now we have to find p upon q raised to power minus 2. Okay, so putting minus 2 as power on both sides, we get p upon q raised to power minus 2 and 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2. We have to find the value of this according to the question. So let us solve only the right hand side. It is to remove this negative sign, we will reciprocal the base. It becomes 3 upon 2 and the power is now positive. So the square of 3 is 9 and the square of 2 is 4. So the answer is 9 upon 4. Now question number 19. Find the value of m if 7 upon 11 raised to power 2m multiply by 11 upon 7 raised to power 4 equals to 49 upon 121 raised to power minus 3. So we will make use of this 11 upon 7 and this 7 upon 11. How? Let us see. So in the first step I am going to reciprocal this one, because we have the square of 11 in the denominator on the right hand side. So 7 upon 11 will be taken as it is, and I am going to make it 7 upon 11. So the power goes negative. Whenever the base is reciprocal, the power sign is changed. 49 can be written as 7 square and 121 can be written as 11 square. So commonly we can write it 7 upon 11 raised to power 2, and minus 3 is already in the power. So when the bases are same, the multiply sign is between them, then the powers are added. So 7 upon 11 raised to power 2m plus minus 4 equals to 7 upon 11, 2 3 is 6. So on the both side we can see that the bases are same. I am going to cancel the bases. Minus 4 of this side will become plus 4 on the other side. Minus 6 plus 4 gives you minus 2. So minus 2, this 2 comes down, 2 are cancelled, 1 is there, so the value of m is minus 1. Okay, but keep practicing these questions, okay, by yourself. Next is, by what number should 4 upon 5 raised to power minus 2 be divided so that the quotient is 125? So in this case, let us take the variable x. Let the required number be x. So according to question, let us divide 4 upon 5 raised to power minus 2 by x so that we get the quotient as 125. So we will change this negative into positive, and this division sign becomes multiplication, and this x becomes 1 upon x. So 4 upon 5 becomes 5 upon 4, and the sign of the power is changed, and multiply sign, divide by sign changed into multiplication, and x becomes 1 upon x in the next step, and 1 upon 25 as it is. 125 is as it is. The square of 5 is 25 and the square of 4 is 16. Now this goes reciprocal on the other side. So 16 up and 25 down. 25 ones are 25 fives are. 5 16 is 80. The value of 1 upon x is 80, but we have to find the value of x. So reciprocaling both sides, 1 upon x becomes x upon 1 and 80 becomes 1 upon 80. This is the answer. Last question of this exercise, find the value of m where this 5 raised to power m minus 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 2 m minus 8 equals to 225. So what will we do? We can see that 225 can be written as 15 square. LHS will be written as it is. Now in the next step, "15" can be written as 3 fives are. So it is converted into prime factors and power is common. In the next step, this square is on 3 and this square is also on 5. So the powers are written in separate form and LHS will be copied as it is, with no change at all. Now we can see that here the bases are not same. Okay, so nothing can be done here, but we can see that we have the same bases. You can take 5 base or you can take 3 base. I am taking 5 as common base. Let us take same base 5 as equation. So it is 5 m minus 3. On other side I have 5 square. So in this way the bases are cancelled. You can take 3 bases also and you can take 3 base also and you will get the same answer. In this way, this minus 3 on the other side becomes plus 3. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5. This is the answer. That's it for today. Thank you.